Have you ever wondered if you could replace just one section of your garage door? In Panama City, Florida, you can, if the damage is localized. This solution can save you time and money when the rest of the door remains in good condition. Garage doors are typically made of several panels connected by hinges. These sections roll smoothly along tracks. If one panel becomes damaged, you might think, can I just replace that? Several factors come into play. First, let's look at common reasons why homeowners want to replace just one section. Accidental damage, like a car bumping into the door, may dent a single panel. Salt in the air can cause rust on metal doors. Weather-related damage from storms can also stress one section. Even aesthetic issues like peeling paint may prompt selective replacement. Before choosing to replace the panel, consider a few important factors. Start with matching the existing door. If it's old, the manufacturer may not provide matching panels anymore. Look at structural integrity. If the damage affects alignment, the issue may be larger than one panel. Material compatibility is crucial too. If your door is made of steel, replacing it with wood could lead to imbalance. Age matters. Doors over 10-15 years might require full replacement if they're nearing the end of their lifespan. Deciding between repairing or replacing involves evaluating the entire door system. Consider wear, energy efficiency, and appearance consistency. If multiple panels are damaged or affect the door's stability, replacing the entire door may be smart. Remember, garage doors are heavy and operate under tension. Even minor repairs can involve risk, making professional assistance vital. DIY repairs can lead to injury or further damage. Professional garage door companies in Panama City have the skills and tools for safe replacements. They can also identify hidden issues like misaligned tracks or worn cables that you might miss. In summary, yes, you can replace a section of your garage door, but ensure it's the right choice. A professional inspection is crucial. Whether it's a small repair or a complete assessment, trust qualified technicians to keep your garage door safe and functional. Ready to address your garage door issues? Contact a professional today. Don't compromise on safety or functionality. Get the right help when you need it most.